Want to start a YouTube channel, but feel shy in front of the camera? In this video, you'll learn how to make faceless videos for YouTube, step by step. First, open your browser and search for Short AI. Click on this link from the search results, or just use the link I've dropped in the video description. Once you're on the site, tap on Sign Up to create your free account. After that, log in using your email and password. Now, tap on the AI Story Video option. You'll see a space to enter your video script. If you already have a script, great, just paste it in. But if not, don't worry. You can write it using ChatGPT, or just tap the AI script button and let the tool generate it for you. Once your script is ready, hit Next. Now choose a style. I'm going with Pixar style animation, but you can pick whatever you like. Then, choose a subtitle design that matches your video vibe. Next, select the voiceover. You can preview different voices, find one you like, and then tap Generate Video.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like.
Hey, this is a great voice for audiobooks, educational content, YouTube videos, and more.
Give it a moment, and boom, your faceless video is ready.
Quiet corner of the city. The scent of fresh espresso lingered in the air, mingling with the Emma left a spontaneous detour. He scanned the room, noticed the open seat.
Tap Download, and it's all yours.
Mind if I sit? He asked, holding up his coffee. Emma looked up, her cinnamon-laced smile in his eyes. Sure, go ahead.
Now let's try something cool, the caption generator. Upload any video clip, wait a few seconds, and watch your captions appear like magic.
These course creators went from 0.
You can even tweak the font, size, and style to match your brand.
To $30K a month and more by using a school alone. They are following 3 simple steps to use a school. Creators went from 0 to $30K a month and more by using a school alone. They are
That's not all. You can also create fake text videos, those popular chat-style storytelling videos. There are tons of other tools waiting to be explored inside Short AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to tap subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with a friend who's been dreaming of YouTube without the camera fear. See you in the next one.